Every Garri starts with a decision. Today, I'm doing it from start to finish. This place is home. From here, the work begins. Cassava no dey wait. Once e ready, you must move. Good Garri comes from strong, mature cassava. No shortcut. I'll do am the right way. First step na harvest. This one needs strength. This one is matured too. Once you harvest, you no fit waste time. We peel am clean, no dirt, no skin. Water removes the remaining sand. Grating turns cassava to mash. Now we bag it for fermentation. Time and pressure do the work here. We break it and sieve it fine. This part needs focus. You watch the color and texture. Hot Garri must cool well. Clean, dry, and well measured. If the quality good, people go buy. From soil to market, na honest work.